I want to first start by adding my applause to the legend, the great Usain Bolt. Usain epitomizes what the best of Jamaica. With enormous talent, use hard work, and a great personality that has resulted in a reward that is just immense, financial and otherwise. And in thinking about that in Usain is one of the reasons I accepted, along with my fellow commissioner, this opportunity given to us by Dr. Phillips. Because Jamaica today has hundreds of thousands of youth who don't even have the opportunity to recognize the potential that they have. And I think it's important, if this country is to move forward, we're going to have to devise a way in which to create that opportunity for them to move forward. The reality is that Jamaica has excelled in almost every single area. There's one area that historically will fail to excel in, and that is sustainable wealth creation. And we believe that has to change. And this commission is tasked with finding different policies in how to go about starting this process. Youth employment, innovation, and a new economy. What's happening in the world today, innovation is driving the new economy. What's happening is that most companies are outsourcing. They're outsourcing all over the world, it's creating less jobs. Airbnb, etc., is resulting in lowering revenues across the world. But it's still an opportunity for Jamaica, because Jamaica has certain things like experiences. People come here in droves for a tourist product, and we have still yet to scratch the surface on that. There's a lot more that we can do on that, because our experiences are just that unique. You can't outsource that. That's an opportunity that's there for the youth as well as the rest of the country. I applaud Dr. Phillips, because this is not only just about looking at where we are, it is about his vision in terms of where the country needs to be, how the country is going to participate in the world economy. And for that, I'm happy for the composition of the group, because we have real-world participants here. Whilst I appreciate my academia friends, the reality is at the end of the day, we have to find ways in which to generate money to pay the bills. And you have seasoned entrepreneurs, you have seasoned managers who are interested in how you generate that real-world solution. And I believe with their help, their assistance, Dr. Phillips, and the various people out there in the world, in the country, because this is not just about youth. It's really about the country in its totality. And we believe one of the things we have to do is to go and hear what people have to say. And it's people right across the spectrum. PNP, GLP, whatever P, whether you're aligned or you're not aligned. At the end of the day, once we can find a solution that will help to make Jamaica better, it will redound to everybody. Thank you.